Good evening, everybody. It is your baby boomer Kitty Lane from the Peninsula in Virginia, back with another Create and Relate. This is a Luck of the Draw update, a movie make along update. I got caught up on all but one blanket, and it's back there. The only one I haven't got caught up on was the Pebbles and Picos, but tomorrow is Tuesday. I will definitely get that done. I also wanted to show you guys I'm excited about this. Before I go there, thank you to all of my subscribers. I really do appreciate you. I do ask that when you come in, please hit those thumbs. Also, leave me comments in the comment box below. Those of you who tell me that you like my work, even those who have offered advice, I really, really, really appreciate all of that. Share my channel. I do teach ASL as well, and I honestly think that that should be, if not a second language, a first language. I think it should be a universal language so that we can all communicate with each other. Speaking of ASL, there are two words that Mama C has specifically spoken that I wanted to show you all. And I think if you're talking to someone, if I'm saying it to myself, then I would go this way, but that way. It's the F, and you just hop it from side to side like you're saying FF, which you really are. Because you're saying French fries. Okay? French fries. And to show you the finger spelling, FRENCH FRIES. Only letter in there we haven't gone over yet is R. You just simply cross your fingers. So when we get to the R, y'all are going to already know this, because this is like the second and third word that just had the R in it. So once again, you have FRENCH FRIES. French fries. French fries. And then another word, POPCO. What's the letter? RN. Popcorn. Just pop, 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 pop. So again, it's POPCORN. Popcorn. Okay, that's our ASL lesson for tonight. Y'all look. So I had this as a leg, and I was like, that's kind of big. That's kind of big. So then I did this. So I got two legs, and starting on the body, this has not been most of my day. I did some knitting earlier today. I caught up on two of the three blankets that I needed to catch up on. I have not done any work on the baskets today. I will get as far as, and please don't get upset with me, I'm going to frog this down to the green, which is here, because I want to do my colorway differently. And this is going to be the medium basket. You can tell from the small basket will nestle inside the medium basket. And then there's going to be a large basket as well, which this one will be able to go into that one. This right now is the largest basket I have made. So the large basket that I make after this is going to be a challenge, and I love challenges. So that's going to be exciting to see that come into fruition. So yeah, this is where we are with the medium basket. And I'm excited. Got some really good ideas about how to handle the baskets. And I'm not going to say I'm going to look into it, because I've already looked into it, and I'm going to do it, Mama. I am definitely going to do that, Mama C. So yeah, I didn't want to keep you long. I just wanted to show you my progress and let you know that I am working every day. Last night when the time went back, I did not sleep at all. I did not sleep at all. So every chance I got to lay down and get some sleep today, I did that. I think that did my body good. And I'm going to, not too long from now, be laying it back down again. I still have chaos on my bed. My sleeping area is like right here. It's like this much space, just enough to hold me. But before I go to bed, most of this will be off the bed. It will be organized, and I'll be able to go to bed. I hope you guys have had an outstanding start to your week. With the exception of no sleep Saturday night, Sunday morning. No, with the exception of no sleep Sunday night, Monday morning. I've had a pretty good start to my week. I have nothing to complain about. Things are getting done. I've got more ideas. I'm going to be doing some more bags, and they're going to go along with the baskets. So I've already pulled my cotton so that I'll have it close, and these are going to be the market bags, and you'll see. But it will be coming up at the end of the month. I will let you know more about it as the month goes along. I am kind of building up a stockpile and getting it done. I am also still working on granny squares. I have 42 already packed up. I have 12 hats done, 36 of them. Okay, let me put it like this. I have 36 granny squares packed and sealed. I have 6 in another container waiting for more to come and join them. I have 8 hats packed and sealed, and I have 4 in a container waiting for others to go along with them. So I'm still donating to Jennifer of Froggy Went a Knitting, and also to Jeanette Egan for the Happy Hats drive. So I'm still doing both of those. I have not only the 4 blankets from the Luck of the Draw, I have 3 more blankets that I'm working on. One is mine personally, one is for my daughter, and the other is going to go along, I think, with the Boggy Creek blankets. It depends on how it looks when I'm finished. It might join the rest of everything that's coming up the end of this month. Right now, I am beyond where I need to be as far as the timeline that I set up for myself to have things done. I like the fact that I set everything out so that if I got it done quicker, that was better. I had no idea I would have 3+ baskets done, and I'm excited about that. And like I said, we're getting it done. Yeah, it's getting close to time. But I want you guys to rest well, enjoy your sleep, wake up healthy and well, enjoy your day tomorrow. I do plan to go live at noon, and I will see you all there. I'm going to be trying StreamYard, so y'all going to have to talk me through a lot. But I love you guys. I love you guys so totally. And please don't ever forget to love yourselves, because self-love is the greatest love of all. And you can't love others the way they deserve to be loved unless you first love yourself the way you deserve to be loved. And you deserve the best. Remember, Kitty Lane told you. So until we see each other again on these YouTube streets,